Alright, we're here at Ninja Tank Martial Arts to do an unboxing video.
Yep, unboxing video. We know what's in the box. It's going to be a mystery for the viewer.
What are you guys doing? Making a video?
Yeah, we are.
On the
Hey,
YouTubes?
do you mind just letting us finish up here, dude, and we'll tell you what we're doing?
Ninja Tank, huh? Is that like a Pokemon Go thing?
No, it's
You make a
martial
Pokemon-
arts.
Ninja Tank Martial Arts, yeah.
Yeah.
Kung Fu stuff. You're all like, wow!
Are you doing all right,
That's
bro?
pretty cool. No, I'm doing fine, man. I'm just,
You look like you maybe had a couple.
I'm just out and about. Just out and about.
All right.
Just
give us a few minutes,
So
buddy.
what kind of martial arts are you doing? What kind of Kung Fu stuff?
All
you do
types.
High kicks?
Hey, but
Like,
bro. Hey, excuse me.
Yeah.
What's with the box?
Oh my gosh.
Is like the box gonna do Kung Fu?
No, it's just an unboxing video.
Unboxing video.
Alright, you know what? Please. Alright, let's get this unboxing video on a roll. I still suck at that.
Doing the old butterfly knife open.
Yeah. Practice, right?
So again, on this video, we know what's in here. It's something related to martial arts. So I guess it's a mystery video, mystery unboxing video for the viewer.
All right. Carefully. Let's see what's inside, shall we?
Yes.
All right.
Pretty sweet.
These are my metal shins, I guess.
Custom metal shins that Brittany made.
Yep. And I basically made them for self-defense, you know, where I'm...
They're pretty vicious looking. Show them from the side, like the angle on
Yeah.
that, the sharp part. Sorry, there we go. Look at that.
Basically, if I'm out and about and somebody randomly attacks me, assuming they attack me with a kick, I check, they break their bone, and it makes my self-defense just a little bit
Makes
easier.
your kick super sharp too.
That too.
Clearly, you got metal attached.
That too. Basically, I got some stainless steel angle bar and flat bar, and then I had a buddy of mine, a coworker. He happily welded it together for me, kind of, you know, in that wedge shape.
Yeah, super sharp.
Yep. And then I centered it on a thin piece of leather here, and I attached it with some cable, and then I crimped the cable with a little aluminum crimp, kind of stuffed it in the hole there. Then I took and I put the thin leather strip on top of a thicker, a wider one with webbing with the clips and everything, and then I hand sewed it on. Yeah.
And normally you wear this underneath your clothes, but you're gonna wear it over the top because tomorrow's video I'm going to take a kick full power with the sharp metal shins, custom shins.
Because you're crazy.
I'm crazy.
We've established this with the bat video.
Right. Very cool though. Awesome.